So your mechanic should be able to do something like this for you if you spend about $1,000, and it's not gonna hurt them to do this, but it is gonna help out your vehicle with all that dirt and debris. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna blow some air. It's gonna take me probably 30 seconds. Make sure the windows are closed and make sure all this stuff come out. The beauty of doing this is if you spend $1,000, like remember we changed the radiator on this, we did the oil pan, a whole bunch of other seals, and it's gonna prevent winter is coming around. It's October, and all the stuff is gonna be blocking the way of the water, and it's gonna get water's gonna seep in here. So if you do it occasionally, seasonally, it's not gonna be as much, just like this vehicle. But anyways, let me switch the sides of my camera, and windows are closed. Start off here. It. Remember, we changed the radiator. There was a little bit of liquid on here. Get rid of that liquid. Get rid of the liquid. It's looking 100 times better. So, we're gonna do 2 more things. Well, 3 more things. We're gonna fill up this bottle. Looks full, but we're gonna put something for the winter. We're gonna lubricate this lock and plus a little bit on the battery. Here's the spray for the battery. You can pick it up from AutoZone, Pep Boy. Spray some of this guy down. It's good for the battery. Okay, this thing is off. Let's put it on. Bada bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. And we're gonna get some spray for this. I will just put in some WD-40, and that's about it. You know what we're gonna use for this? We're gonna use this white grease. Even it's good for the door handles, the door hinges. This is good. Let's put some here. We'll wipe off the excessive later, and all I need is some washer fluid, which is coming. And the last thing, de-icer. This is good for the winter, and all you want to do is top this off. This is something good that you could do for your customer. They won't even know you did it, but when they open the hood, they will get the message. Didn't even take the whole bottle. Did it really cost me much? No. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.